if you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Xbox Series X, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer services. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Test network connection. Go to the Settings menu on your Xbox Series X, select Network, and then Network Settings. Choose Test Network Connection to ensure your console is properly connected to the internet. If there are issues, follow the prompts to troubleshoot your network. Step 3. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller, select Restart Console, and then confirm. Once the console restarts, check if the multiplayer feature is working. Step 4. Check NAT type. In the network settings, check your NAT type. Ideally, it should be set to open. If it is strict or moderate, you may need to adjust your router settings to improve connectivity. This may involve enabling UPnP or POP forwarding for Xbox Live. Step 5. Update console software. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, check if the multiplayer functionality has improved. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most multiplayer issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.